What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this Sanatorium's Keratin purple hair mask. Now I know I'm not blonde, but I have a mom who has lots of silver in her hair, and her biggest complaint is that yellow brassy color, and this will work just as well with gray hair as it does with blonde. Now, people usually buy these purple hair masks to help them neutralize the yellow hues in your hair, and the purple toner acts as a corrector. Now, one of the things that really appeals to me about this brand is that it has lots of rich nutrient ingredients like vitamin E for shine and keratin to help with split ends and elasticity. As well, this is a great mask for adding hydration and vibrancy to your hair. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. They do provide you a little disposable glove to use when you're applying the hair mask because the purple toner can stain, so you have to be careful when you're using it. It has a really nice little seal on the top that helps to keep the oxygen out and helps to keep the toner rich and ready to go. There is the hair mask. You can see that it's super thick. It also has a really mild scent to it, which is really nice. You don't want to use a product that's overpowering. It does not have any sodium, any sulfate, or any parabens in it, and the scent in here is really gentle and not overpowering. The keratin in here is 100% hydrolyzed keratin, and it is absolutely awesome for hydration, neutralizing brassy tones, and improving the overall elasticity of your hair. This product is designed in the UK, combines the benefit of the purple toner for hair. Now, they suggest applying a palm-sized amount of this into your hair and then letting it soak in. This is a tub that's going to go a long way, and I really like that. And you know what? I am going to try it out. Even though I'm a brunette, I definitely could use the benefit of the keratin and the hydration that's in this hair mask. So I will come back with the results, and I'll share this with my mom, who is a nice salt and pepper gray as well. But I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.